Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you this 1969 Dodge Super Bee, which is a Dodge Coronet Super Bee actually. It's basically the same model as that golden 1969 Dodge Coronet I've shown in a previous video, with the difference that this is a Super Bee and that one is a Coronet. Before we unbox it, please don't forget to leave your comments and your likes below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to share my video. So let's go on. So once we've unboxed the Dodge, we can take a better look at it. This is a 1969 Dodge Coronet Super Bee, which is a little different from that 1969 Coronet RT I've shown before. This car is better made than that one in several details. First thing I'd like to talk about is this color, which is a very nice metallic flake green, which is beautiful. Super Bee stripe, which is different from the RT stripe we've seen in the Coronet RT we've shown before. The tail lights are different. These tail lights are, I would say, the most radical difference between this one and the Coronet RT. They've got couple tail lights on each side and reverse lights right here. Dual exhaust and bumpers as well as trunk lid are exactly the same. We just have a little badge change in here. We have this Bumblebee instead of the RT, and the Dodge is here instead of being here. In the front, we have basically the same front, same grille, same bumper, same headlights. The only difference is the B instead of the RT letters right here. Let's take a look at the engine. So we open the hood. This hood opens much better than the one in the Coronet I've shown before, and shows a very detailed engine compartment. This engine is really nice. It's a Hemi with black valve covers with all cables and wires and hoses and horn, reservoirs, battery. So all features should be present in an engine compartment. The air intake, which is exactly the same one we have in that Coronet RT, and the couple scoops we have here on the hood. Due to the color, we can see the Hemi badge much more clearly than this one. The antenna is metal. It's made of metal. It's much better than the one we had on that Coronet RT, which is made of plastic. Windshield wipers and trim are very nice. Trim here is painted over, which is okay, and windshield wipers are separate pieces. Let's take a look at the interior, which is in two tones of green. Those two tones of green are very nice, and they're sort of metallic as well as the exterior color. Dashboard is very nice, very well made. It doesn't feature an open-end glove compartment. There's no headliner. It's not like the Authentics, but door panels are nice. There's a carpet and the seats are well reproduced with a very nice looking pattern, just like in a real car. This is stick shift, as we can see. Door handle is a separate piece, and the lock is painted over. The blinkers are rectangular. In 1968 they used to be rounded, and a stripe is single instead of a double one. Trunk lid isn't open, which is okay. It's an outer line, and driver's side. So wall rod steering wheel. Very nice door panels with the crank, pedals, and dashboard, which is very rich and very well made. Mirror could be a little bit better, but it's okay. It's proportional. It's right in scale. By the way, this car is about a foot long. Vent windows, which are fixed but well made. And last but not least, the bottom, which is body color at the edges and a primer color in the center, which is very nice, just like the car is being sprayed. And the Hemi orange engine, since it's a Hemi. Transmission, drive shaft is fixed, it means it doesn't turn as it turns the rear wheels. The gas tank, it's correct. Mufflers are correct. The dual exhaust mufflers with the dual exhaust points are okay. Mufflers with dual exhaust nozzles are correct. Suspension, steering system, which turns as we turn the steering wheel, just like any other 1/18 scale. And suspension system, which is not working here. It's not, which is fixed, since we have no springs in here. So let's just close it right here in front, and I'd like to thank you for all views, or comments and likes, and for sharing my video, and for subscribing my channel. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, leave your likes and your comments below, and to share my video. See you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.